I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Ensure the remote has power and the TV is plugged into a stable outlet. If you installed an app just before this, make a note. That app may trigger safe mode. Once ready, perform a full power cycle. Unplug the TV or box for 30 seconds, then plug back in. If that fails, use the remote. Press and hold power for 10-15 seconds or press and hold volume down while booting. These steps force a normal reboot and often clear temporary flags. Once the device restarts, go directly to Settings and open Device Preferences, then About. You should choose Restart or check for system updates. Applying an update can remove safe mode triggers. If Settings is disabled, use the boot key combo. Hold power plus volume down to interrupt safe mode boot and force a normal start. Make sure to clear cache from recovery mode if needed. Select Wipe Cache Partition, not Factory Reset, to preserve your apps and data. These steps address software-level causes. You finish by removing the likely culprit. Uninstall or disable any third-party apps installed just before safe mode began. Once done, restart the TV to confirm normal boot. If the problem persists, create a new user profile to test whether your primary profile is corrupted. That isolates the issue. As a final measure, perform a factory reset, but back up first to cloud or USB. Troubleshooting tip: if boot still fails, test another HDMI device or the TV's streaming box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.